Hi, my name is Kenny Bene. Welcome to the business news update on the News Chronicle. We have Trump's tariffs sent Bitcoin below $80,000. Bitcoin has dropped below $80,000, losing 35% from its peak of $109,000 in January. Now, this correction has wiped out 2025 gains, dragging the entire crypto market into red. Now, investor sentiment is as lowest in 2 years, with the crypto fear and greed index hitting a score of 10%. Now, FG pushes for cement price cut to 7,000 naira. Now, the federal government is urging cement manufacturers to lower their prices to 7,000 naira, citing improved economic conditions. Minister Dave Umahi pointed this to stabilizing naira at 1,400 per dollar and also reduced fuel prices. Despite these changes, manufacturers have yet to adjust from 9,500 price, um, which was made during the peak dollar period of 2000 naira. Now, internet usage surges 93% with the smartphone growth. The Nigerian Commission (NCC) reports that the internet consumption hit a record of 1 million terabytes in January 2025, a 93% increase from 2 years ago. Now, this rise is driven by more Nigerians adopting the 3G, 4G, and 5G networks, despite over 14 million disconnection following an NCC audit in 2024. We also have ICT sector now 17% of Nigeria's GDP in quarter four. Also, we have Nigeria's ICT sector contributing 17% to the Nigeria's GDP in quarter four of 2024, up to 16.35% in the previous quarter. Now, this sector's annual contribution also grew slightly to 17.68%, showing a continual digital expansion despite economic slowdowns. So stay informed with the News Chronicles, like, comment, and share this video. You can also visit the website on www.thenews-chronicle.com. See you next time.